Hi everyone, my name's Pam Pose and I'm here to talk about how to use the Selective Sync option in Dropbox. So for the Selective Sync to work, you need to obviously have a Dropbox account. You do need to use the desktop app. So if you just you can just Google Dropbox desktop app or go to dropbox.com desktop, get started, and that's what you're going to use to set this up. So when I have Selective Sync set up, it will synchronize, meaning all the files will save back and forth between the Dropbox website and your computer, and so you won't have weird versions that you have to try to keep track of in your work. To use that though, you do need the desktop app, as I said. And so what you want to do is, so this is my file manager. I'm using Windows 10. And you see this is my Dropbox folder right there. There's my Dropbox drive. And then here is my actual, this is the browser version of Dropbox, the web version. And so you see I actually have quite a few more files in the web version. And so you get to choose, if you use selective syncing, you get to choose which folders work between your computer and that you can use offline. It work between the computer and the website. I don't want to have all my folders syncing because there's some folders with big files in here and it would overwhelm my computer. All right, so you need to download and install the desktop version. And then once you do, you're going to have this little icon down here. And this is, it allows you to control certain features. So I clicked on the little Dropbox icon, and then I click on my account settings, and then click preferences. And then I click sync, and then selective sync. And then it's going to pull all the folders from the website. And you notice the one, I don't have everything checked. The ones that are checked are the ones that will sync. So I'm not going to change anything here, but I could click remodel, and that just has 89 megs, so that's nice. And then you actually can choose specifically if you want to do all the folders in there or just some of them, and then click update. I don't actually want that, so I'm going to get rid of it. Click update, and apply just to make sure, and then click the X. And now anything that I selected in that checkbox will appear on the Dropbox drive on my computer, and it will sync back and forth. You can only do the sync settings in the desktop app. Took me a while to figure that out. So you can, if you right click, and I've got Spark Sync, it can only, you can actually disable syncing from here, but you can't add any new folders. If you go to the website, you can't do it. So even if I do this, there's no option to, as far as I've been able to find, like there are many options, but not smart, the selective syncing. So I'm going to get rid of there. You can only do it from the desktop app. So hopefully this has been helpful, and happy Dropboxing.